So before this video gets started, if you are an Uber driver, a Lyft driver, or a gig worker and you want paid time off, if you want paid time off, sick leave, you want protection if you get into accidents, if you want income protection, if you want protection if you ever get deactivated, hospitalized, if you ever do get deactivated and you want your account back as well, there's a brand new company that just launched and they got $1.6 million in funding. They're doing same day cash transfers to drivers, to gig workers for, paid time off, all that stuff. If you want that, the company's called Cover. And if you use my link down below, you get 30 days for free. It does start at $7 a month. But again, if you use my link, you get 30 days for free. No commitments, no annual contracts. You can cancel and pause at any time. At least check it out. At least click my link down below and accept that gift of 30 days for free. And now let's get on to the video. Hello everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. So if you've been following everything that's been going on, or if you saw my last video where I talked about Uber just recently announced scheduled shifts for drivers. This is huge and Uber has never done this before. Since Uber started, it's always been this super flexible way you can sign on and sign off whenever you want. But Uber just has announced details on their scheduled shifts. And in today's video, I'm actually gonna show you what a typical shift would look like. Uber just recently, this is brand new, multiple updates in this video, so you wanna stay tuned until the very end. And if you do wanna see what an example week would look like as an Uber driver, an Uber employee driver, where you do get a scheduled shift, that's what we're gonna be looking at today. It's the middle of October right now, so the election is coming up, and that is when Prop 22 either will pass or won't pass. And if Prop 22 doesn't pass, then scheduled shifts will be released for drivers. And actually, drivers should be on scheduled shifts right now, but Uber and Lyft are both kind of breaking the law, and the law is AB 5. If you guys don't know what's going on, that's okay. In California, the government passed a bill called AB 5, which makes it mandatory for Uber and Lyft drivers to treat their drivers as employees. Uber and Lyft are currently going against that. They're not doing that, and the government's kind of allowing them to do that, but they are allowing the public to vote whether or not Uber and Lyft drivers should be independent contractors or employees. Fortunately or unfortunately, however you want to look at it, Uber and Lyft and some of these other gig companies have spent $185 million campaigning to get the public to vote yes on Prop 22. They are literally, if you talk to anybody right now in California, everybody knows what Prop 22 is. They are putting up so many ads on TV, in front of YouTube videos, on Twitter, on Facebook, on Instagram. Literally, they have so many ads going on right now. I haven't seen this many ads for a campaign. It's literally more than like a presidential campaign. I'm seeing more ads for this. So this probably, in my opinion, probably won't pass, but honestly, you never know. So, or it probably will pass, excuse me. So this scheduled shifts probably won't happen, but it is a very real reality, and Uber I just want to get you guys up to speed, but with why it's going on and the possibility. So in a month's time, you could actually sign up on a shift to do Uber. So if you like these kind of videos, please give the video a big thumbs up. It really supports me as a creator. I can't explain to you how much just you tapping that thumbs up button, it supports me make better videos for you guys. So please hit that thumbs up button. I would personally appreciate it a lot if you drive for Uber or Lyft, or you just like making money. Tap the thumbs up button and also subscribe if you do want to see more videos. Thank you all for 40,000 subscribers. We're growing quickly, we're growing steadily, and yeah, let's try to get to that 100,000 subscriber mark. So here we go. And also, if you are interested in signing up for Uber or for Lyft, and you want to sign up bonus or guarantee of up to $2,400, you can use the links in the description down below. And also, if you do want paid time off or sick leave, there's a company called Cover that is providing that. If you use my link down below, you get your first 30 days of membership for free. So without further ado, let's get into the video and let me show you exactly what an example week would look like as a scheduled Uber driver. By the way, I did also want to say that this is only happening in California right now, but several other states have also said that they are planning to adopt a similar model of whatever the outcome is in California. So, you know, if you're not in California, this could be coming to your state within the next couple of months as well. And Uber actually did come out and say that they are planning to take this not only nationwide, but also in California too, if Prop 22 does pass. So here I am right now. I am in my Uber driver app. I don't want to show you exactly my location, but anyways, this is my Uber driver app. It always says at the top to complete a few steps. You gotta take a picture with the mask on, a selfie, whatever. But here we go. Drivers deserve better. See how app-based work might change if Prop 22 doesn't pass. So let's take a look. I'm gonna click right there. So here we go. This is in every single Uber driver's app in California. What if Prop 22 doesn't pass? See how app-based work might change in California. Paid for by Uber Technologies. So Uber and Lyft and some of these other gig apps as well are funding this Yes on 22 campaign. I don't want to tell you if you're in California. I don't want to tell you to vote yes or no, but I do want you to understand what will happen whether or not you do vote yes or no. So yeah, I mean, I'm personally voting yes, but again, I'm not going to tell you to vote yes. I do just want to show you the facts and you can make an informed decision, because I think that is democracy. So what if it doesn't pass? You would sign in, so they would actually give you an employee ID. They have also stated that they will be doing driver interviews. So basically every single driver in California it sounds like will be fired or deactivated, and then Uber and Lyft will begin the hiring process. And they said they will be hiring, yeah, 3 out of 10 drivers would be hired as higher prices and longer wait times reduce demand for rides. So for the driver side, you're gonna have less drivers available to work, and then also for the rider standpoint, they will have to pay a lot more and also wait a lot longer. So it's honestly like, I mean, it will definitely be like quote unquote good for the full-time drivers who want benefits and pay time off and sick leave and all that stuff, and who want like a weekly paycheck or a bi-weekly paycheck, you know, a set amount. Like I know when I worked at Nike, for example, or let's say I worked at the Marriott, right? I worked 37.5 hours a week, which they did that also to avoid having to pay me full-time benefits, but whatever. So I worked that amount, and I knew that at every 2 weeks I was gonna be getting paid around $900 to $1,000 after taxes, right? I got paid like 16 bucks an hour. So, but if I didn't show up, I could calculate, okay, you know, I'm gonna make 8 hours less, you know, about 100 bucks less. I basically made like 100 bucks a day after taxes. And so, I basically knew that I'm getting paid that same amount every single other week. With Uber and Lyft, you don't really know that. You know, you could have a really killer week, you go out and make $1,000 a week, and the next week you might only make 200 bucks. You know, the rides night might not be there. So if you vote yes, you're basically still keeping that flexibility, but also that instability. If you vote no, you're kind of voting to be, okay, you know what, I want a set week, set schedule. Here we go, let's get into the scheduling. So this is what an example week would look like. So you got, this is what Uber introduced. Flexibility will be limited. As an employee, you would likely work a minimum number of hours, so you have to work at least a certain number of hours, take only limited days off, so you know, work holidays and all that stuff, be required to work on specific days. So you can't just wake up and go, I don't feel like working today, I'll work the next day. You gotta work on the days they want you to do. So on Monday, you would start out at 4 a.m. and work till 6 a.m. So they actually want you to sign on for 2 hours and then take an 8-hour break and then work from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. I've honestly never seen, this has to be the weirdest Monday work day ever. You work for 5 hours total, but you gotta wake up at 3 a.m., get ready for your shift at 4 a.m. to 6 a.m. and then work from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. I don't know if they're joking with us or what, but this has to be the worst schedule ever. Can you imagine? You gotta work from 4 a.m. to 5 p.m. and have an 8-hour break in between. Is that even legal? Holy crap. And then Tuesday is your day off. So you start your week off getting 5 hours of work, but you gotta work for 13 hours in an 8-hour, this is unbelievable. How, do they expect you to sleep in between there? I honestly think they did this as like a joke. So and then on Wednesday, you gotta start your shift at 7 a.m. and then work till 10 a.m. And then you get a 3-hour break. And then you gotta work another 5 hours. Who's coming up with these schedules, bro? Holy crap, my life would suck if I had to do this. Okay, and then on Thursday, look at this, 9 p.m. to midnight, and then you gotta work at 10 p.m. and there's not even an ending hour. Like you gotta work from 9 p.m. to 12 a.m. and then you gotta time travel back in time, back to 10 p.m. and then just work forever. Sorry guys, this is cracking me up. Holy crap! Look, it's Saturday! Guys, 3 a.m. to 8 a.m. 3 a.m. to 8 a.m. And then you have an 8-hour break, and then you work again from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. Could you imagine? You have to wake up at 2 a.m., get ready, eat breakfast, then work at 3 a.m. to 8 a.m., and then have an 8-hour break? When are you supposed to sleep? Holy crap. Oh my god, my cheeks hurt from laughing. Bro, 3 a.m. to 8 a.m. and then 4 p.m. to 8 p.m.? Holy crap. I don't know if they're joking about this, but like, oh my gosh. So more details about shifts would be scheduled. Right now, you can go online anytime you want, but with scheduled shifts, work would be limited to certain times of the day or week. I'm sorry, but that is really funny. So every trip would be accepted. You can't deny any trips. That's it for today's video. If you do enjoy these videos, please again hit that thumbs up and to support me as a creator. And again, if you do want to sign up to be either an Uber or a Lyft driver, and you want to get a sign up bonus or guarantee, go ahead and use the link down below. You'll get a sign up bonus or guarantee of up to $2,400. And also, if you do want to get pay time off or sick leave, you can sign up for a Cover. And if you use my link down below, you'll get your first 30 days for free. And with that being said, thank you all so much for watching today's video, and I will talk to you all soon. Have a great and amazing day. Bye guys.